Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with 2A Direct. Today I have the newest TLK radio from Motorola. This is the TLK110 radio. It works off of LTE networks as well as Wi-Fi. So in this box it comes with the radio, the battery door, the battery, the antenna, a swivel belt clip holster, and the power cord. So let's build this. First we'll add the battery in the back, and you'll want to line up the battery perfectly. Then with the battery door, we'll start from the bottom and press it down, and then you want to slide the actual lock to keep it in place. The antenna gets placed at the top with a clockwise turn. And if you want to use the belt clip holster, you can put it in from the bottom, and the top will have a click and you know it's engaged properly. The belt clip does swivel, so if you need to, you can do that to keep it on your person. The charging port is on the side here, so you just have to lift up the cover and it will be exposed there. To check out the TLK series radios and accessories, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks guys! Don't forget to like and subscribe.